Ya, ahora sí.
Good afternoon. Our names are Andrea and Melanie. We are from Peru and we are Peruvian. We are students. We want to work in Disney because we are very friendly, creative, and energetic people. We love to help all the visitors.
In the morning, you study and then you practice in English. I love dancing and Melanie likes singing. Both hey play in soccer. Oh, also like me, recon fun and music. You do you how you're great, friendly, and energetic entertainment.
Okay, let's study.